Here's another thing I got. It's a flash drive, basically. It has about, I forgot how big it is. It's compatible with iPhone, like iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini. Just gonna test it if it works, but we'll see. I don't know. Made in China. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about, basically. Or what do you call it? Yeah, I'm trying to remove the thing. Here it is. Here's the Type-C plug. So you know, you could basically do it like this. I mean, it's USB, so it's like that. See? It's a USB storage. It has 512 gigs stored, so that's a lot. So this was really cheap. It was like less than 10 bucks. I'm like, let me grab it. So on the other side, as you can notice, see, this one is the USB side. I think it's USB 3.0. And then the other end is for iPhones. See, plug this in your iPhone and you know, it works. And then this one is for like converting the iPhone thing for USB. Or let's say you want to replace the tip. Oh wait, this is a storage too? Or is it? Let me see. The instruction booklet. I have a booklet, so this QR code. Oh, first. Here's the booklet. Has an app. Okay, we'll see if it works. Right, just a sec. Check this out. So very interesting, this end right here. It looks like it's USB, but it's like weird too, like it could be converted or something. Like, let's see when I push it out. Okay, it looks like that, right? And then watch this. If I pull this up right here, see, look, now it's different. Now it's one of these see, now it looks different. That's interesting. Maybe because if you're using a different... Ah, that's interesting. Ooh, cool. Then when you want to turn it back, just flip this top back in there. There you go. Huh. I'm curious to what... This one's USB, but the other side is this also storage, or is this like converting thing? What the heck? What if I... There we go. Oh, okay, so it converts it to this Type-C. Ah, I see. So now it's a Type-C. Ah, that makes sense. And then this side is also different. Cool. So let's remove that again. There we go. Now it's different. Sweet. So this is just for converting it. And then that's USB. Okay, let's try it out. Let's plug it in one of these slots. Let's try this one. Oops. That'll work. This is, aha, okay. So I inserted it and it works. USB drive, okay. For some reason it's not working on the 3.0 drive. Just a sec, let me do it again. So there you go, I put it on this end right here. So let's try this one. For some reason it's not working. Did it have to install first? Or is it a different kind? Maybe this one. Let's try this. Oops. I think it's working, but... Oh, there you go. Here's the file. It's 500 gigs. Okay, it's working on that one, but let's eject it again. Okay, I ejected it. And here, what the heck? Alright, I'm gonna try this again, right here. Here, it's not working on that. This one, maybe. I don't see any light, like it will usually glow red, but it's not. I guess I'll have to use this because it's not working on those. Let's try this one. See, if I put it up here, it works. See, there you go. Let's scan for threats. So it's about 500 gigs of storage. That's a lot. That's quite a big storage. No malware found. Okay, we're good. Cool. So you can store stuff in this thing. Whatever you want to put in here, just, you know. Then when you're done, I don't know, just right click, eject. Then it says safe to remove hardware. Right there. And then you just pull out the drive. And then this thing, you can try it on your phone. Transfer files from your phone to your, yeah, with this end right here. Alright, cool. That was easy. Okay. That's for iPhone. Oops. And then just drag this thing in the middle, like that, for the other side. It's pretty cool. And then if you want to use the thing, there you go. Alright, really compact. 512 megabytes. Half of a terabyte. That's huge. And this is for converting stuff. This is the USB. This one's for the iPhone. I don't have an iPhone, I have a Samsung, so I don't know. I forgot the name of this thing. I didn't really read it. AUAMOZ. Oh, wait, not Aqua. AUAMOZ. AUAMOZ. That's a weird brand. So it's 500 gigs, half a terabyte. Not just a converter. So yeah, it's really small, compact. So I mean, you know, sweet. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm gonna show you guys how to transfer the file here to this external USB storage. It has 512 gigs, so you know, I showed like I showed. So I'll show you guys how to use this. So, well, you know, just demonstration. So first we gotta plug it in here in one of these USB slots is fine, or this. So let's use this one. Okay. Then it should show up right here. There you go. External drive connected. Let's go ahead and scan for threats just in case. And okay, we're good. So it says done, no malware found. Okay, we're good. So now we're gonna open up the USB drive. Now that we've opened computer, we're gonna go here to the USB drive that we just plugged in. USB drive I. So this is the one we just plugged in, 499 gigs. So it won't be there all the way, but so this is how I put files in these. This is inside the USB drive. So you know, you basically, if you want to highlight all of it, you basically go to you click one of these like that, and then you hold shift, and then you hold shift. And then don't let go of shift, and then what you want to do is let's see, oops, after you hold shift, what you want to do is oh crap. Okay, wait a sec. Hold shift, and then it'll choose everything. There you go. You click the last one, and then if you want, let go of shift, and then go ahead and drag this down here to the USB. And we'll see if it'll copy it. It's just a test, you know. If it doesn't fit, then that's fine. But there you go. So it's transferring at a rate of 14 megabytes per second. So, you know, it really depends on, you know, what you're trying to transfer. But, you know, it'll either be slow, but you know, but that's how you transfer files onto the USB. It's starting to, there you go, it's copying the files. It's just basically making a copy. You'll still have these files here, but this will be copied onto the, so just in case, let's say your hard drive gets corrupted on your computer and all this get deleted, at least you'll have a backup. So that's the reason for the, you know, external storage like that USB. So just look, see, it's doing its thing, it's flashing. So yeah, it's doing the thing, and it's transferring the files. It'll take quite a bit. It says 2 minutes and 45 seconds because these are quite big. So these are some game videos that I made. These are just examples, but you can transfer any file you want, you know, doesn't matter, music, pictures, videos, whatever, games. And then see, there you go. I didn't really have to install any software, you know, so there you go. So if you got any, let's say you want to, this works on Android, so I don't know, so you can plug this in on your phone and then transfer your files from your phone, and then take your USB and then plug this back into the computer, and now you can take your files from your phone and transfer it over to the, you know, to the USB, to this, And then once it's in here, you plug it like what I did, plug it into one of the USB slots on your computer, desktop or laptop, and just copy it like this, you know, drag and drop basically. Just highlight it all and just drag and drop like that. It's almost finished. Minute and 30. It depends really. The speed of transfers depends on how big the files are. So let's say, you know, these are like gigs. Each one is like pretty big. See, 192 megabytes. The whole thing is over 3.47 gigs right here. So that's a lot of data. That's why it's taking quite a bit of time. So once it's done, yeah, there you go. You can go ahead and eject the thing, and then, you know, remove the thingy. I mean, remove the USB storage. There's even a 1 terabyte one, so there's different sizes. The smallest I got is an 8 gig, but this one is 500 gig, so it's pretty big. Not bad. Might get the 1 terabyte in the future. Okay, so once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. So you know it's working when the light is flashing in there. So it's almost finished. Just wait for it. Just a demonstration. Okay, so now we're gonna minimize this one. So this is the inside of the USB. I'm gonna go ahead and eject it right there. So I'm gonna right click on this and then click eject. So there you go. Now it says safe to remove hardware. Device cannot be safely removed from the computer. So now you can go ahead and pull it out. I always do that just to be safe. And there you go. All your files are in here. Your videos, the videos I just transferred are not in here. So there you go. So next time you wanna, you know, just plug it back in, and then it'll flash again. So it's working, and then it's gonna pop up down here. Just wait for it. It's gonna take quite a bit. Refresh maybe. There we go. Let's scan again for press just in case. Blah blah blah. Okay, done. Okay, so now it loaded, opened that up, and here it is, still there. So you know, just if you want to reformat it, or if you want to delete it, just right click and then delete, and then it'll delete the data. And you know, just if you want to highlight it, do the thing with the shift. Basically hold shift while this one, and then it'll highlight all of the files, you know, and that's how you do it. So let's see, there you go. I highlighted all of them, and then just delete, right click and then delete. It's okay because I already have the files on my computer, so I don't really need. So there you go, it's gone. Then go here again, go to this USB drive, and then right click, eject, and there you go. Save to remove, pull it, and that's how you use a storage USB. So you know, if you don't one of these big storage like this, basically these are a little bit more, you know, they're kind of big. But this one holds 4 terabytes. It's pretty big right there. 4 terabytes, 4 TB. So this is smaller than that one, but this is pretty big too. So if you don't want one of those big external hard drives, you can use one of these small USB drives. So yeah, there you go. That's it. Until next video, later.